This video will show you how to replace key battery on Saab 9.3 or 9.5 in 4 simple steps. So this is a key for Saab, and you need a paper clip to open the key case. So you see that hole on the key. You have to insert the paper clip through the keyhole and open the cap. Then you have to take the plastic cap out to have access to the battery. This is a CR1632 3 volts battery. Now remove the old battery and replace it with a new one. You can use the paper clip to remove it. You can find a new battery in the video description. So you install the new battery back on its place. You have to press it. Put the cap back on the key. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.